Hi everyone, welcome to faytech. We begin today with our capacitive 15-inch IP65 device, Touch PC, which basically has all the main ingredients or specifications of our standard IP65, only that this time with a capacitive as a PCAP touch panel and with our brand new optical bonding technology. It's an eye catcher, you can see it. You can see all down here below, all the connectors going, special connectors going for the cables, for the individual USB or LAN or serial connections, VGA, etc. That's our brand new IP65 version of the PCAP touch panel PC. So, in this case we have a resistive touch panel, non-capacitive, with single touch, but with the beauty of all the new connections that we haven't had in our past or regular models. On this side you see the standard ones that you're accustomed to from our standard models, but the beauty with the USB, with serial and HDMI out, but on the side comes the surprise with VGA out, with DIO, with two further serial connectors for RS485, but also usable with RS232, and a second serial. This system is a complete system being used by the Tunisian police, which is also official. This is represents the capabilities of faytech of adapting our technology to special needs, special projects. Our project business is very big for us in faytech. This is one example of it. Here you have the monitor with its touch panel, touch functionality, but also have the biometrical reader on right here. Not only for the identification of police force, but also for the registration of possible criminals, let's put it that way. Then you have a camera here, you have a card reader on the right hand side, and that's pretty much it. For the monitor, it comes with the docking station, and the central unit, which has the main board inside. And now we come to our beauty of 55-inch infrared kiosk, working together here with our 19-inch TPC, which is the standard one, Industry 4.0, for monitoring machinery. In this case here you have the whole factory and all the machines, M4, machine 2, M2, machine M3, all in green light, which means saying that everything is working fine. As soon as you click on one, you see the more detailed data, including, of course, all the errors and repairs that have been done for the specific machine, so that whoever is administrating this machinery can have a better overview on that. On this little one, on the TPC right here, is simulating a single machine. Which is the same information that you see here when you click on M3, for example. Same data. This is the overview, the manager. Beautiful system, a nice way of representing and applying Industry 4.0 software with our product. So now we have here 8-inch touch monitor, standard. That's one of our best sellers of the last 3 or 4 years. It's a brand new design. You will tell me and ask me, what? But it looks just exactly like the old model. Well, yes, you're right. On the front, identical. But in the back and inside, we have a brand new electronics. We have a brand new mainboard, video controller that is taking care of the signal, and all connectors that we have available now in this monitor are standard. meaning standard VGA, standard USB, standard serial, and even power. Yeah, all bundled in our special case. Unfortunately, I cannot open it right now. It's with this plate right here. All bundled, and they come out here, and they're secure. Special new design, which almost simulates the IP65 design that we are so successfully sell as well. This one is connected to our standard 15-inch TPC, also the new design that I already introduced to you guys. Okay, right here we have from one of our partners, the OwnTime software from Intelix. This is time management. What's the difference with this time management system? It is done via face recognition, right here, through this camera. When this is being used, by the way, in official institutions in several countries, including India. We can just show you with Serena, for example, right here, how the system works just by this mere recognition of her face in the image through the camera. She can log in and out as many times as possible, and then you have a history, of course, and you can export all that data into a main computer. Very basic system, but it works, as you can see. Okay, now we come to the end stage of our presentation. Our last two devices. Number one is our new 820 embedded system in a 10.4 capacitive variation. This one running with an Android system. Example. And then on the left hand side we have a regular standard TPC, also capacitive, the same size, with the standard connectors that I already showed you. As you can see, it doesn't matter what size device, TPC, we always have the basic component where the mainboard is inside. In the case of the mainboard, same size on all of them, so it's uniform. And that's it for my presentation today. Thank you very much for your attention. From faytech, stand 827, hall number 5 at the CeBIT 2015.